I'm going to show you a hit with parents, and it's somewhat of a best kept secret, and I don't know why. But let's say I had a student at the middle school, and I'm only going to use one student as an example. If I had two or three, it becomes more cumbersome. But let's say I had a student who had Mr. Gilmartin for social studies teacher, and I wanted to see what his homework was for tonight, as well as with her or his other teachers. So I go to Mr. Gilmartin's website, I go to class calendar, and that's where his homework would be listed. Obviously, in August, there's not going to be any listed. If they then had Mrs. Johnson for science, I'd have to go to Mrs. Johnson's website, go to homework and events, and I'd find it there. And now I'm writing it down. And let's say he also had, he or she had Frangione for math. Go to here, I go to weekly homework. And again, this is the calendar that comes up for right from your OnCourse website. So now that's 3 teachers and 1 student. Multiply that by an additional 2 or 3 teachers for this student and or 1 or 2, 3 more students. So this best kept secret is this website right here, which is the address here, and I will share that with you. But here's what I do as a parent. I add a student. I'm going to add Lauren Brown as my student. I go, okay, she's then there. Then I select the school she's in. And of course, this first time setup is a little bit cumbersome, but not as much once it's done as if I had to go every day. So I know Frangione's a teacher. I'm going to add Frangione to Miss Brown. I know Gilmartin was a teacher. I'm going to add him. Brown, add. And last was Johnson, Kara Johnson. And again, I'm only adding partial just to give you an example here. Add to the favorite. Then I want to check the homework, and I'm going to use a different date, so hopefully we can show you. Let's go back to February. Let's try the 3rd and see what we come up. There's the homework for February 3rd, all 3 teachers in one site, as opposed to going to each individual teachers. And again, I only put 3 teachers in. You can put all the teachers. And over here, if you had multiple students, you could just click on that student for that day and it would come up. So again, you might want to share that with your teachers or with your parents. That will make you a hit.